In today's video, we will take out the taillight for 2011 Ford Focus. Very first step is we open the trunk. Inside the trunk, there's one clip that needs to be taken out. Here I'm using a small Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the clip up until the middle and then taking it out using a plastic trim remover tool. First clip is taken out. Similar approach, we will take out the clip which is at the bottom. Unscrew it first up until the middle point and then take it out using a plastic trim remover tool. Second clip is also out. With the same approach, we also need to take out the third clip as well. In total, 3 clips taken out. Now we need to pull out this plastic cover completely. Once the plastic trim cover is pulled out, here we are using a 11mm socket along with a small wrench in order to take out 2 nuts. The first nut is actually hidden in that hole that needs to be taken out. Since this nut is a little in the hole, so you may have to squeeze in your fingers in order to pull out the nut completely from that hole. There we took out the first nut. The second nut is outwards, so no hard work needs to be done. Just straightforward unscrew the nut and you should be fine. Both nuts are taken out. Now in order to take out the tail light, we need to push it from the quarter panel side until the tail light comes out completely. And there you notice the tail light coming out. Now you see the white color plug right there. We actually need to turn it anti-clockwise in order to pull it out completely. First plug is out. The same needs to be done for the black color plug. Turn it anti-clockwise and then pull it out. I had a little tough time taking it out like that, so I would recommend pulling out the plug for this first. Just press and hold this middle tab and then pull the plug outwards. Once we take out the plug, there you would notice the bulb is easily coming out, just like that. There we ended up taking out the tail light. Now in case if you only want to replace the bulb, all you have to do is just pull the bulb outwards. Suppose you got a new bulb, you just install it back, does not matter this way or the other. You just install a new bulb and then push it to a point where you hear a clicking sound. Just like that. The same process you do for the other bulb as well. You pull this off, and suppose you got a new bulb, you just put it back, does not matter this way or the other, and push the new bulb to a point until you hear a clicking sound. Now if you want to install the same tail light or the new tail light back, all you have to do is just reverse the entire steps and you should be fine. With that, we are done with the takeout process. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.